Don't place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Alrighty traders, so we're going to have a quick look at silver and gold in this video. Short term, what do we see here on the ultimate short term? Short term, we're actually, this whole level here on silver, no, this is gold. So right now on gold, what has happened? We had this support here around 1300. Sorry, no, 1280, 1300. 1300's up there. Support through here. We broke down, but what's happening right now on gold? We're going what? We're just going sideways, aren't we? We're not really going down, are we? So if we continue up from here, now the ultimate sort of level is through, actually no, probably through that level there. So that'll be the ultimate level there. What am I talking about, the ultimate level? So if this holds here right now and it continues up, this is going to be what we call a classic false breakout to the downside, where it's had support, it breaks down, it just goes sideways. And if we start to get a break back up, especially back above this, both these resistance lines, well, now we're probably likely to start doing this and heading back up towards that 1350 level there. So it'll be really interesting to see whether if this does hold here right now and we break up, then we're likely to continue up from there and heading back up towards possibly back up towards the top of this level up through here. Let me delete that. So probably back up towards these high up here. It looks like I'd have a target there around that 1340 level, back up the resistance level here. But if we do hold here and then we start to break down and we start to do something like this, then I definitely do see. Then I definitely do see gold heading back down towards those levels through there, which is down through here around that 1230 level. So depending on where it breaks, guys, if it breaks up, then I have a target of 1340. If it breaks down, then I have a target of 1230. Yeah. So back onto the silver chart as well too. Silver chart. What's happened with the silver chart as well? We're having a look at pretty much the same sort of thing, right? We had all this resistance level through here, pretty much strong resistance. As you can see, right? Oh, sorry, support. All this support level, then it broke below. Notice how it couldn't close below all through here. It could not close below all through here. So that's that closing point there, right? So you see how, well, actually closed right in there, right? So it could not close below, could not close below. Once it closed below, so now notice how it's having problems closing back above it now. It's having problems. What do you think is likely to happen once we get what? Once we get a close back above? I have a target then $16. If this is a bit of a false breakout and we get a break back to the upside, then I have a target of $16. If we do get a strong breakdown though, that's where I would possibly say that this is likely to run back down towards the $14 level. Oh, John, that cannot happen. You don't understand the mines. They can't operate because they can't operate at $14. They're already struggling right now. There's no way this is going to be at $14. Yeah? Well, how the heck did it do it last year? Hey traders, I'm running a flash sale. It's a $7 flash sale to my brand new Go to the Markets by the Balls trading course. If you go to johnsflashsale.com, you can get access to the $7 massive sale that I'm doing right now for a short time. So go to johnsflashsale.com and I'll see you over there.